continents. Africa. In this lesson, we are going to study about location, physiographic divisions, drainage, climate, flora and fauna, agriculture, minerals, transport and population. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia in both cases. At about 30.3 million kilometers square, including adjacent islands, it covers 6% of Earth's total surface area and 20% of its land area. With 1.3 billion people as of 2018, it accounts for about 16% of the world's human population. Africa's population is the youngest amongst all the continents. The median age in 2012 was 19.7 when the worldwide median age was 30.4. Despite a wide range of natural resources, Africa is the least wealthy continent per capita in part due to geographic impediments, legacies of European colonization in Africa and the Cold War, undemocratic rule and deleterious policies. Despite this low concentration of wealth, recent economic expansion and the large and young population make Africa an important economic market in the broader global context. Sahara. The Sahara is the world's largest hot desert, covering 8.5 million square kilometers, about the size of the South American country of Brazil. Defining Africa's northern bulge, the Sahara makes up 25% of the continent. The Sahara has a number of distinct physical features, including ergs, reeks, hamadas, and oases. Ergs, which cover 20% of the Sahara, are sand dunes that stretch for hundreds of kilometers at heights of more than 300 meters. Ergs cover most of Algeria and Libya and parts of Mali and Nigeria. Ergs can contain large quantities of salt, which is sold for industrial and food use. Wrecks are plains of sand and gravel that make up 70% of the Sahara. The gravel can be black, red, or white. Wrecks are the remains of prehistoric seabeds and riverbeds, but are now nearly waterless. Hamadas are elevated plateaus of rock and stone that reach heights of 3,353 meters. They include the Atlas Mountains, which stretch from southwestern Morocco to northeastern Tunisia, the Dibasti Mountains of southern Libya and northern Chad, and the Ahagar Mountains in southern Algeria. An oasis is a hub of water in the desert, often in the form of springs, wells, or irrigation systems. About 75% of the Sahara's population lives in oases, which makes up only 2,071 square kilometers of the desert's vast area. The Sahel part of Africa includes from west to east parts of northern Senegal, southern Mauritania, central Mali, northern Burkina Faso, the extreme south of Algeria, Niger, the extreme north of Nigeria, the extreme north of Cameroon and Central African Republic, Central Chad, Central and Southern Sudan, the extreme north of South Sudan, Eritrea, and the extreme north of Ethiopia. Historically, the western part of the Sahel was sometimes known as the Sudan region. This belt was roughly located between the Sahara and the coastal areas of West Africa. The Sahel is the eco-climatic and biogeographic rim of transition in Africa between the Sahara to the north and the Sudanian savanna to the south. Having a semi-arid climate, it stretches across the south-central latitudes of northern Africa between the Atlantic Ocean and the Red Sea. The name is derived from the Arabic term for coast, shore. A savanna is a mixed woodland grassland ecosystem characterized by the trees being sufficiently widely spaced so that the canopy does not close. The open canopy allows sufficient light to reach the ground to support an unbroken herbaceous layer consisting primarily of grasses. Savannas maintain an open canopy despite a high tree density. It is often believed that savannas feature widely spaced, scattered trees. However, in many savannas, trees' densities are higher and trees are more regularly spaced than in forests. Savannas are also characterized by seasonal water availability, with the majority of rainfall confined to one season. They are associated with several types of biomes and are frequently in a transitional zones between forest and desert or grassland. Savanna covers approximately 20% of the Earth's land area. The Great Rift Valley is a series of contiguous geographic trenches, approximately 7,000 kilometers in total length, that runs from Bekaa Valley in Lebanon, which is in Asia, to Mozambique in Southeast Africa. While the name continues in some usages, it is rarely used in geology as it is considered an imprecise merging of separate though related rift and fault system. Today, the term is most often used to refer to the valley, East African Rift, the divergent plate boundary which extends from the Afar Triple Junction southward across eastern Africa and is in the process of splitting the African plate into two new separate plates. Geologists generally refers to these incipient plates as the Nubian plate and the Somali plate. The African Great Lakes are a series of lakes constituting part of the Rift Valley in and around the East African Rift. They include Lake Victoria, the second largest freshwater lake in the world by area, Lake Tanganyika, the world's second largest freshwater lake by volume and depth, and Lake Malawi, the world's eighth largest freshwater lake by area. Collectively, they contain 31,000 km³ of water, which is more than either Lake Baikal or the North American Great Lakes. This total constitutes about 25% of the planet's unfrozen surface freshwater. The large drift lakes of Africa are the ancient home of great biodiversity, and 10% of the world's fish species live in this region. The Eastern Highlands, also known as the Manica Highlands, is a mountain range on the border of Zimbabwe and Mozambique. The Eastern Highlands extend north and south for about 300 kilometers through Zimbabwe's Manica Land province and Mozambique's Manica province. The Swahili Coast is a coastal area of the Indian Ocean in Southeast Africa inhabited by the Swahili people. It includes Sofala, Mombasa, Gi, Pate Islands, Lamu, Malindi, and Kilwa. In addition, several coastal islands are included in the Swahili coast, such as Zanzibar and Comoros. Areas of what is today considered the Swahili coast were historically known as Azania or Zingion in the Greco-Roman era and as Zanj or Zinj in Middle Eastern, Chinese and Indian literature from the 7th to the 14th century. The word Swahili means people of the coast in Arabic and is derived from the word Sahil. Congo Basin. The basin is a total of 3.7 million square kilometers and is home to some of the largest undisturbed stands of tropical rainforest on the planet, in addition to large wetlands. The basin ends where the river empties its load in the Gulf of Guinea on the Atlantic Ocean. The climate is equatorial tropical with 2 rainy seasons, including very high rainfalls and high temperature year round. The basin is home to the endangered western lowland gorilla. The Nile is a major north-flowing river in northeastern Africa. The longest river in Africa, it has historically been considered the longest river in the world. Though this has been contested by research suggesting that the Amazon River is slightly longer. The Nile has 2 major tributaries. One is the White Nile and another one is Blue Nile. The White Nile is considered to be the headwaters and primary stream of the Nile itself. The Blue Nile, however, is the source of most of the water, containing 80% of the water and silt. The White Nile is longer and rises in the Great Lakes region of Central Africa, with the most distant source still undetermined but located in either Rwanda or Burundi. It flows north through Tanzania, Lake Victoria, Uganda and South Sudan. The Blue Nile begins at Lake Tana in Ethiopia and flows into Sudan from southeast. The 2 rivers meet just north of the Sudanese capital of Khartoum. The Zambezi River is the 4th longest river in Africa the longest east flowing river in Africa and the largest flowing into the Indian Ocean from Africa. The 2574 kilometer long river rises in Zambia and flows through eastern Angola along the northeastern border of Namibia and the northern border of Botswana, then along the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe to Mozambique, where it crosses the country to empty into the Indian Ocean. With few exceptions, Africa's flora is tropical or subtropical. This is primarily because none of the African continent extends far from the equator and there are only a few high elevation regions that support more temperate plants. Listed in order of decreasing land area, the three main biomes of Africa are subtropical desert, tropical savanna and tropical forest. The flora in southern Africa has been most studied. The flora of central and northern Africa is less known. The subtropical desert biome is the driest of the biomes in Africa and includes some of the driest locations on the earth. The largest desert region is the Sahara in northern Africa. It extends from near the west coast of Africa to the Arabian Peninsula and is part of the largest desert system in the world, which extends into South Central Asia. The fauna of Africa, in its broader sense, is all the animals living in Africa and its surrounding seas and islands. The more characteristic African fauna is found in the Afrotropical realm, lying almost entirely within the tropics and equally to north and south of the equator, creates favorable conditions for rich wildlife. Africa is home to many of the world's most famous fauna in human culture, such as lions, rhinos, cheetahs, giraffes, hippos, leopards, zebras, African elephants, among many others. Africa produces all the principal grains corn, wheat, and rice in that order of importance. Corn has the widest distribution, being grown in virtually all ecological zones. Highest yields per acre are recorded in Egypt and on the Indian Ocean islands of Reunion and Mauritius. Areas of production is under irrigation. Millet and sorghum are also produced but principally in the savanna regions of the continent. Rice production and consumption have become increasingly important and are closely associated with areas of rapid urbanization. The most important rice producing countries are Egypt, Guinea, Senegal, Mali, Sierra Leone, Tanzania, Nigeria, and Madagascar. Wheat production was once restricted to South Africa, the countries of North Africa, and the highlands zones of Ethiopia and Kenya, but new varieties have extended cultivation to countries in the savanna region such as Nigeria. The mineral industry of Africa is the largest mineral industries in the world. Africa is the second largest continent with 11.73 million miles of land, which implies large quantities of resources. With a population of 1.216 billion living there. For many African countries, mineral exploration and production constitute significant parts of their economies and remain keys to economic growth. Africa is richly endowed with mineral reserves and ranks first or second in quantity of world reserves of bauxite, cobalt, industrial diamond, phosphate rock, platinum group metals that is PGM, vermiculite and zirconium. The rapid development of air transport increased the movement of goods and people and began to open up the hitherto largely closed interior of the continent. Transport became much quicker and usually cheaper. Since then, internal air services have steadily increased and intercontinental air transport